Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to write a program for a prime number using Java. First, I will create a file named as prime.java. Then a class. I have to create a class prime. Uh, I think here I'm missing dot Java. Then a class prime. Here I'm going to create a main method. Then in main method, I'm going to create object for scanner class. Scan equal to new scanner. I'm going to read the inputs from the system. Then I have to import this scanner class from the util package. For this purpose, I'm going to write import java.util.scanner. After importing, I have to write a statement to take input from the user. System out, enter a number. Then after writing this statement, I have to take and store the number. I have to take this input from the user to and store it inside a variable called as num. Then I'll scan that next int. First, guys, try to understand what is a prime number. What is prime number? What is prime number? A prime number is a number which divides divided by only one and itself. I'll make this as comment out. As listen here. For example, if I take 17, it's 17. If I divide 17 by 1, I am going to get remainder as 0. Then, and if I divide 17 by 17, also I am going to get remainder as 0. But when divided by numbers from 2 to 16, I am going to get a remainder which is not equals to 0. This one I have to write using a program. I know theoretically what is prime number, but I have to implement this one inside my program. For this purpose, I have to make use of a loop statement. For this purpose, I make here and my loop is going. I have to start from 1. Then I'll make it from. I'll create a variable int I equal to 1, and I have to end I up to. Sorry. Then I have to end my loop at 17, means that number. Here in this case my number is num. Then I plus plus. In this I am going to make use of the if condition. If my number is divided by here I modulus in the sense which is going to give me the remainder. If it divides and the return is 0, then I have to make some changes here. I will make use of a temporary variable in temp is equal to 0. Here in this case, if I divide my number, it's the remainder will be 0. Then I have to increment my remainder a temporary variable. Suppose for example, if I take 17, first initially my I will be 1. If I divide 17 by 1, my temp will become 1. Then here 17 by 1 is going to give me remainder as 0. Then my I will be incremented. Then it's going to divide 17 by 2, which is not equal to 0. Here I am going to get remainder as 1. Then this loop continues till I become 17. Then inside it, inside this statement, 17 by 17, which is not which is equal to 0. Remainder will be 0, and my I becomes 2. Then suppose if my temporary is only 2 or less than 2, I am going to get that my number, given number is a prime. Likewise, if I take a number 8, for example, if I take 8, initially my I will be 1, then it's going to come inside those loop statement. 8 by 1 is 1, 8 by 1 is 0, and which is 0 is equal to 0. Then my temp will become 1. Then my I is going to operate by 2. 8 by 2 is 8 modulus 2 is going to give me remainder 0. Then my I become temp become 2. Then 8 is not divisible by 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. Then my I become 4. Where I 8 is 8 modulus of 4, which is going to give me remainder as 0. Then my I temp become 3. Then after 5, 6, 7, when my I becomes 8, which is divisible by 8, and my temporary will become 4. Likewise, if I give any big number, if I take any for example, if I take 87, sorry, 88, my loop will continue till 88, from 1 to 88. For in the first case, I is 1 and I is 1, 88 is divisible by 1, temp is become 1, then I is 2, and my 88 by 2 is going to give me remainder as 2, then my temp become 2, then 3, 4. Likewise, it's going to reach a number of time. If my prime is, as you seen, when my number is 17, the remainder is only 2. My temporary value becomes only 2. As in the case, by this programmatically I am to check this. If my temp is less than or equal to 2, I have to print the given given number is prime. Else the given number is not the prime. Then I will run my program. Suppose if I enter 17, is going to give me as a prime number. Then I am going to give 88. Sorry guys. 88. I have to remove this 88. My 88 is not a prime number. Let's take for example big prime number. Okay, 89. Here I give 89. I hope after this video you guys are going to get how to write a prime number program. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe.